You're gonna probably heard it say something like fog or GOF. I don't know if you heard about this. Okay, composition you're gonna do today is gonna be look like something like this. They have a name to say it, but usually the student just say fog job. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that. So, function operation is very easy. We actually learned it already. It's just a different way to asking you. So before, we learned how to find the sum, difference, or the product, division of two polynomials. Okay, or sample, let's do sample. Yeah, from last time. We already learned this. You're gonna do exactly the same thing. It's just different name. But then the new thing we're gonna learn today is about function composition. I have a lot of students come back like last semester asking, "Oh, you still have the note for fog?" I'm like, "What fog?" We're talking about composition. It looks like fog, right? What they say. So first, you already seen this one before. Find the sum of two polynomials. Something like this. So I'm going to make it up. So 7 over 6, 5 over 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 plus 7 over 5 minus 2x4 plus x minus 3. Okay? What are you going to do with this? How do we handle this last time? Combine that term. You're taking out the parentheses first, right? So 7x6. Let's read up the parentheses first. Minus 3. Okay? Combine that term. All right, Carlos, let's go. Right, so practice, do the standard form as well. That's what Carlos doing. You're gonna write on the standard form as well. Okay, 6, 5, and minus
7.
3x4. You have negative 5x4 and negative 2x4. Yeah, negative 7x4. All right, what else? Huh? Be careful. That's why I'm cross them out, right? Cross up whatever you have left, you need to check all of them. Plus 2x squared, very good. Next, plus x and minus 2. Very good. 1 point for Carlos. Yeah? Put them in standard form. We did it before. Easy, right? How about I give you all right, we want to do this. Luis, let's go. Take out the parentheses first, okay? Change the sign of everything here, right? Because the front you have the negative. That means there's two ways you can think about this. You can think about you actually multiply -1 to everything. Or you can just see that the negative on the front, you're gonna flip all the sign inside. Okay, so Luis, tell me what to write. Minus 3x4 minus 10x plus 5. You change all the sign. Plus 5, minus, and minus because you want to flip all the sign. Now combine that term. What do you have first?
6x4 minus 3x.
That would be
3x
3x4.
4.
Very good. What else?
2x minus
It's going to be?
negative 8x.
Uh-huh.
Then you add x plus 1.
Very good. That's it. 1 point for Lewis. Easy, right? We reviewed this kind of things last semester. We learned this. No, did we learn from last semester or this semester?
This semester.
This semester. But after spring break also it's kind of long. Alright, products like 3x plus 1, 2x minus 2. Alright, who want to help me with this? David.
You do foil?
Huh?
You do foil.
You do foil. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Foil. Okay, so can you tell me what you write? 3x? Yeah.
6x. No, minus.
6x?
Oh, my bad. 6x squared.
Very good.
Okay.
Be careful. Right.
Minus 6x.
Uh-huh.
And you just add the other side because it's a 1.
So 1 times 2x, yeah, just
Yeah, you
make
just
it
add
whatever
that
you have
side.
here. 1 times here, 1 times negative 2. Alright, combine our term. 6x squared.
Minus 4x.
Very good.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Perfect. David 1 point. Alright. And then last one we learned is the division. Oh, how do we do this one? Let's see. I'm gonna make it up. 2x. Alright. So, who remember what the tool we're gonna do when we dealing with the division? Long division and synthetic division. And factor out. That's the best one. Yeah, if only if you cannot factor, then you're gonna do long division or synthetic division, right? This one, what do you think? Synthetic division? Long division? Long division? Factor. They actually can factor. They're GCF, right? Let's draw the GCF. What is GCF for the front, for the top?
2x.
2x. What do you have left?
2x.
2x minus 1. Now look at the bottom, 2x minus 1. Do you see something happen?
Yes.
You can
Cancel.
cancel them out. You have 2x, that's the answer.
How'd you make this up on the spot, huh?
Oh, you can do GCF on the spot. So long division. Like you can think about this one and then you multiply them. Yeah, you go backward. Long division or synthetic division. Or division or factor. Factoring. We already learned a lot of factoring methods. GCF, finding combination, grouping, rational root theorem. So those things is for division. Alright, today, exactly the same, so I'm gonna write a note like this. Different question, but same strategy. You're gonna do the same thing, but the way they're gonna ask you will look like this. They're gonna give you what example is this? 5. Okay, they're gonna give you f of x. Let's say 5x, and then g of x is x plus 2. Easy, okay. And then they're gonna ask you something like this: a phi h of x, which is equal to f plus g of x. Phi h of x, which is f minus g of x. So let me just continue with here. Can you erase this?
No. Non-division or
Long division or synthetic division or factoring.
division or synthetic division
Or factoring. We're gonna find a better way for this one. Maybe you should block people.
Maybe why don't you like move those people?
Let me think.
Because you could move these tables like one over there with this one over there. Like this them sit in that table but here.
Okay. I will think about it.
Mostly this head that's why you can't see.
Alright, I will think about it. That's a good idea. Okay, so next is A. Okay, this is B. Alright, this is C. F times, F divided by T. Okay, D. F times G. Have some space. Alright, can I erase this? Are we good with this? Alright, see, the same strategy, but it's a different question. Okay, I give you the function f. I give you the function g. What do I asking you? I asking you to find f plus g. So what you gonna do? What do you think? Add them, right? So Karen, can you tell me what you write? 5x plus gx is x plus 2. To be safe, just write parentheses, because if you have the subtraction, they're gonna change the sign. So to be safe, just write parentheses. This whole thing is the gx, right? This whole thing here is the gx. And then you're taking out the parentheses, you're gonna have 5 plus x plus 2, which is 6x plus 2. That's the answer, right? Same thing we did before, even easier. Okay. Yeah. See you Wednesday. Alright, B. You want to find f minus g. Oh, let's give Karen 1 point. Fernando, let's go.
5x
5x
minus
parentheses. Very good.
x plus
X plus 2. Why parentheses? Because you got a minus on the front. Make sure you're gonna take care of the changing the sign. That's why we should have the parentheses, right? So you have 5x what?
minus x
Minus x
minus 2
minus 2. Very good. So the answer going to be
4x
4x
minus
minus 2. Good job. 1 point for Fernando. Yeah, can we move on? Any question? Question.
I'm trying to do it.
So yeah, so this is the different question, but same strategy.
That's what the solving.
This one here,
The 5x minus x. Are you distributing?
the negative. Yeah, right. That's why you need to have parentheses, because you wanna distribute the negative 1. We can think like this: negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. You can think like this. Or you can think is, whenever you see the negative in the front, you're gonna flip all the sign here. Yeah, that's good. Any other question? Okay, C. F divided by G. Go and try this. Same thing. Even easier. Melody, let's go.
5x
5x
divided by x plus 2.
divided by x plus 2. I don't think you can do long division, synthetic division, or anything. This is the last simplest. Yeah. 1 point for Melanie. Question. Are we have any other question for here? You have any other questions? Question. F. Is it F? Question.
I thought it was an L at first.
F. This is my F. Or this. Sometimes like this. Okay. Young, this has been 6 months. You should get my handwriting. Anyway. I forgot who. Jacob. Yeah, Jacob. 5x times x plus 2. Very good. Multiply f times g. Just plug it in. So basically, just plug it in. Okay. And then Jacob, can you help me? You can find the answer.
That would be 5x squared.
5x squared. 5x times 2. 10x, that's it. One for my Jacob. Alright? There's nothing new. Now the new one coming.
Where,
Yeah, question.
what's the X? Like,
Huh?
no. Eh,
Oh, which is the way you write this. H of x equal to f of g of x. This is not multiplication. Remember when we talk about this thing, I emphasize that this is not multiplication. It's just f of x. It's just showing you what variable you're dealing with. Yeah. Like if this one is y, then you expect to see some y right here. Or if this one for like I, like Irma, do you want to see some I right here? It's just showing you what letter you're gonna talk about. That's it.
yeah, I get it.
Oh, it's the X.
She's there.
It's there.
Question. All right, E.
Can you?
Yeah, this is a new one. This is the new
Let me
one.
copy this. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I want to say that if you really pay attention, you don't get it. That's what I'm doing first. If you didn't really pay attention, and you just look it up, and you're frustrated, that doesn't make sense. If you really want to learn this, you pay attention. If you don't get it, I'm here to help. Okay? You're just on the phone all the time. You look it up, you don't understand, and you're frustrated, that doesn't make sense. All right? Okay, be pay attention. That's what I meant. Pay attention. If you don't understand, I'm here to help. No matter million questions you have, I'm gonna answer that. I love answering questions. Okay, you've been with me for 6 months. You should know that. If you don't pay attention, you're frustrated. What can I do? All right.
Sounds like my dating life.
Pay attention here. This is a new one. Can someone remind me how to say this?
You know.
How you say this?
H of X.
I swear.
H of X.
H of
No, it's
X. Right?
On the edge for no reason.
Yeah. All right. Here, the reason they put the big circle like this, because they want to differentiate with the multiplication. If you see just a dot like this, it's going to be multiplication. But if you see like a little bit like this, it's a composition. Yeah? So how you say this? Who can try? Who want to try? F of G. What else?
X. What?
What about the X?
Of X.
Of X. F of G of X. Okay?
That's enough.
That's how you say it. It's just how you say it. It's just how you're gonna say this one.
I thought that was L.
Well, you can choose to say a fog of X. That's what my student last year said. Okay. F of G of X. All right. Now, watch how we're gonna do this. Okay. That's really very easy too. What letter start first? F. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna write the function f. What is the f? 5. But now I see the x. Okay. It's not going to be the x anymore. It's going to be the g. So, just whenever I see x, put parentheses for now. So starting with the first function, let me write starting with the first function. Starting with the first function. Okay, who guess what I'm gonna plug it in inside here? Try it, say it.
X.
Fog.
Fog, right? Plug in fog here.
G.
X plus 2. We're talking about f and g, right? We start with the f first. You're gonna write the whole thing f here, but accept the x. Because here you're gonna plug in the whole g into this x, right? So you're gonna plug it in x plus 2, because this is the g. So the meaning of the fog is what? You plug in one function into another function. What does it mean? Okay? You plug in what to what? Can someone look at here and then actually tell me what did we just do? We plug it in what function into what function? You plug it in what? You plug it in g into the f, right? This is the f function 5 times x, but x now we replace by the whole function g. So we plug it in g into f. Melanie.
What if for f it was more than just 5x.
Yes, that's the question. If you have another x, the x squared, you still need to plug in x.
So we.
Right. Whenever you see x, you're gonna plug in into the x right there.
So it would be plus and then NG.
Yeah, plus x plus 2 squared.
Oh,
Right? Because you plug in the x here, you still have the 2. Yeah? But we're gonna get there. Very good question. We're gonna get there. Let's just finish this. What is this equal then? 5x plus 10. So let's write and note the meaning of this. We plug in. Let's write this. We plug. We can say the closest function to x, right? We plug the closest function to x into the other one. That's what it means. But the strategy to do that is you're gonna starting with the first function. So the meaning, I just saying you the meaning. The meaning of function composition is you're gonna plug in one function into another function. So how do you know what order, what you plug in what? You're gonna plug in the one closest to x. Is it g closest to x? Right? You're gonna plug it in g into the f. So that's the meaning. I'm gonna say it again. So function composition is you're gonna plug in the function that closest to x. In this case, it's gonna be g. You're gonna plug it in here into the f. Yeah? And how do you plug it in? You're gonna starting with the first function. You're gonna start with this first, just write down, and then whatever you see x on that function, plug it in the other one. Yeah?
Will it always be G the one used?
Depend on the order. Depend on the order. We're gonna do the order. The next one.
So if you were to
Yeah?
5x plus.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna find a bit space. So let's erase this one. Okay. Only 2. Well, in this class, at least it's 2. Sometimes you can see something like this. K, this. Then what does it mean? You're gonna plug in K into H. Whatever you have, you plug it in G. Whatever you have, you plug it in F. That's it. But where did you start? You can write this one first and you plug in. But it's long like this. It's better to do one at a time. Yeah? But you're not gonna see this one in the class. Maybe calculus, but I don't know. Okay, F. Continue over here. So we're gonna go what we already have in mind. Exactly what we're gonna do. So F of H equal to G F here. Right? Who want to try?
Like where?
Come on, let's go.
It's gonna be x plus 2.
You start with this, but do you write x?
No.
Because you're gonna plug in this one into x, right?
Yeah.
So don't write x. You start with this, it's correct, but don't write x. Write parentheses,
Parentheses.
right? Plus
2.
plus 2, right? And now what you're gonna plug in here?
5.
You plug in the whole function f. That's the one. Here again, the closest to x is f. You're gonna plug in f into g. Okay, so f is 5x. I'm plugging in the x of the other one here. So 5x here. Oh, there's nothing you can do. Just 5x plus 2. That's it. Yeah? One confirm. That's the only new thing we learned today. Everything else we already learned before.
That's it.
Question.
I'm looking.
Which one?
Wait. I'm trying to see like the difference.
The difference is, in this case, you plug it in G into the F. In this case, you plug it in the F into the G. It depends on the order. Okay? How do I know the order?
So the problem will just give us an order and we have to.
No, the problem gives you the order. Yeah, the problem gives you the order. You're gonna plug it in. For example, the problem gives you F O G like this. That means what? You plug in the closest function to X, that means you plug in G into the F. If the question asks you G of F, you're gonna plug in F into the G. You plug in the closest one into the other one, to the further one. Yeah? So, okay, you plug in the closest function into the further one. Maybe that makes more sense. The further one. That make sense? Better? Great. See? Yeah. You all have potential. If you pay attention, you're gonna get it for sure. All right. Then what is conclusion? Conclusion about the F composition of F of G and the composition of G of F. Are they the same? Yeah?
No.
Yes or no? The answer is right on the board.
No.
So note right here. Composition. This one and this one are different. They're not the same. One you got 5x plus 2. The other one you get 5x plus 2, that's 10. Right? That's different. Because for multiplication, what do you think? For f times g, do you think f times g is going to be different from g times f? Yes or no?
No.
So my question again. For multiplication only, like this. Is f times g of x and g times f of x, are they the same?
Yes.
Who say yes? Who say no? Multiplication. This is multiplication. 2 times 3 and 3 times 2, are they the same?
Yes.
Yes, so they are the same. Yes, but only the composition, they're not the same. The same goes right here. If you get this order, you get 5x plus 10. But if you get this order, you get 5x plus 2. They are different. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, only multiplication, they are the same. For the composition, they're not the same. Okay, so don't think that, oh, you found this, you just copy the answer for the other one. This is going to be wrong. Okay? What time are we doing? 1 or 2? Right now? Me too, I want to be right now. Okay.
Then how many more questions?
Hold on.
We keep like for the reason.
2.5.
I've been obsessed with this.
The final should be today I think we're gonna
Can I erase this? Everything here? Yeah?
No, I don't know, but like, I just have to go home because I don't want to make it
After this, only one more. So, yeah.
Yay.
Because it's Monday, we're
like
not
one
gonna-
more of ABC.
Thank you, Mr.
So we're not gonna finish the homework again.
Yeah, just one more of ABCD.
Look at the price.
Because I don't know what to do.
All right, f plus g. Okay, Melanie, let's go. Easy stuff. X squared plus 3x plus 2
we're trying to go back here.
plus, yeah, very good. S parenthesis, x plus 2. Because that's the g. Right? Can you combine that term for me? That's just 1 point for Melanie. Here? Or here? Which one?
She just can't see it because the phone is blocking.
Do you wear glasses?
No, her, Mr. She doesn't see it.
Do you wear glasses? No?
Yes.
You forgot the glasses? Louis, let's go.
It's 2 plus 3 plus 2 parentheses
Minus parentheses
3x.
3x. Very good. Combine that term. What do you have? X squared.
X squared plus 2.
That's it. Very good. Because 3x and negative 3x they cancel out. So x squared plus 2. 1 point for Louis. That's. You have a lot of points this week. What if I increase the point this week to be 15? You
Wait, do
go
we have a lot of
to
points from last week too?
Who else doesn't have point today?
Hello?
Raise your hand then. Raise your hand. F times H.
Oh, F times 8?
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't write equal.
Huh?
It's because there's no.
Right. That's the point. I don't write a dot because I want you to know whenever you don't see the dot, that's mean multiplication. Okay? So that's something also happen. If you don't see the dot, you need to know that's the multiplication. Otherwise, they're gonna give you the big like this, the composition. That's different. So if you don't see the dot, you don't see that nothing. That's mean you multiply. Okay? So F times H.
X squared plus 3x plus 2.
Uh-huh.
And then parentheses. H.
3x. Okay. Now what you gonna do?
Oh, you just.
Yeah, just distribute it.
Basically.
Basically, you multiply. Just distribute it. What do you have?
3x cubed plus 3x squared plus.
What 3x squared?
9.
Really can't. Oh, 9, sorry.
9x squared
Plus 6.
plus 6x. Very good. One more for Kayla.
This is coming.
Or like
I
division.
just.
I want to try the D.
It was very good.
Chris, let's go. X plus 2
To make it fair.
divided by 3x. Right? You can. There's nothing you can do with this. You cannot cancel anything though. Easy, right? So Chris doesn't know which one should rate the hand. Yeah. What about Chris? Like waiting for the moment. Seize the opportunity.
Sounds like something else.
They call opportunities. Yeah, that's a word, right? Opportunities.
Sounds like
Okay.
something a serious
E.
something.
Anyone new? Gary, let's go. F divided by G. Oh, so here if you stop right here, it's still 4 point. But in this question, if you stop right here, it's going to be 1 point off because you're not finished. What can we do? You can do synthetic division. Yes, very good. But it's not the best. You factor. Think about factoring first before you do anything else, okay? 3 term, what are you going to do?
Finding combination.
Finding combination. So Gary, continue. 2. 2 and 1. Alright, so what is it equal to? X plus 1 and X plus 2. See, now you can see something happen, right? X plus 2 on the bottom. Bingo. What can we do?
Whoa.
Throw them away. What can we do? Quit. X plus 1. Yeah? One more for Gary. Alright, now the new thing's coming. The composition. Yeah, take your time right now.
Okay.
Can we do it on the board?
Well, because Monday, we don't have much time. We only have 10 minutes, so that's why. And we have one more assemble. So I don't think we can get to the next assemble. We can just stop at this. Well, we're going to continue on Wednesday, yeah. We still have one last assemble, so. Okay, F, who want to try the F? Who doesn't have point? Young
X squared.
G, okay, yeah. But did you write X squared right away?
Parentheses.
Yeah. Okay, let me give more space. Parentheses.
Plus 2.
Right, plus 2. Do you know why? Start with the first function, the G. So basically, you're going to plug in what into what? F into G, because F is the closest one here. You're going to plug in F into G. But how you plug it in? the strategy I'll show you is you're gonna start with the first function, okay? Start with the g. You have x plus 2. Whenever you see x, you're gonna replace by the whole function here. So that's why you're gonna only get the parentheses for here because you're gonna plug it in. You're gonna plug in the f, okay? So f is going to be x squared plus 3x plus 2, right? And now you're gonna just simplify it. What do you get? X squared plus
3x.
plus. Very good. 1 point for Yonga. Make sense?
Yeah.
Last function composition. Last one. You wanna find instead this now you're gonna find f of g of x. Alright, last part of the day. Who want to try it? Who knew? Who doesn't have point today? Jocelyn, want to try it?
Which one?
Anyone new?
Wait, where are we? Oh.
No?
Johanna?
Just this.
Natalie?
It's the opposite.
Okay, Natalie, let's go. Right, parentheses. Square, very good. Plus. So, did you see Natalie what is she doing? She's gonna write the f first because you're gonna start with the one first. But whatever you see x, you're gonna replace this whole thing. So that's why we just put the parentheses for now, okay? But if you think in your mind already, you know what's happening, you can just do in one shot. Oh, I know I'm gonna plug in this whole thing here into the f. Yeah, g into the f. So I can do in one shot, put this one here, square, put this one here. But if not, you can just run parentheses for now. Okay, continue, Natalie. Plus. Very good. Now, what do you plug it in inside the parentheses? The x plus 2. Because you're gonna plug in the g function into the f. Okay, so x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay, now just simplify it. This one is going to be x squared plus. Very good. Very good. Equal to x squared . One point for Natalie. Any question? Basically, you plug it in. You plug in one whole function. Before we learned you only plug in the number, right? But now we're gonna plug in the whole function into another function. What you want? You're gonna plug in the one closer to f to the other one. Like this, you're gonna plug it in. You're gonna plug it in f into g. This you're gonna plug it in g into f. So the answer is from the f. The answer is from this. But instead of the x, you're gonna plug it in g. So you're gonna plug in this x plus 2 into here, x plus 2 into here, and you got this one. Does it make sense? Any question?
Yeah.
Question? Yes.
No.
Oh, okay. All right, I think we can stop here.